Jacob Zuma given 60 days to repay 29 million rand in unlawful legal fees or face asset seizure. President Jacob Zuma to repay nearly 29 million rand in legal fees unlawfully covered by the state.
South Africans, on this video, I want us to look into President Zuma in two issues. The first one is that President Zuma have been found that he must pay 28.9 million of the cost of his court cases. Remember, previously, Helen Zille has been of the view that President Zuma is applying the Stalingrad system of avoiding to go to court. After avoiding to go to court, he come up and say he has never been found guilty of corruption. But all the time he keeps an appealing, of which they claim is a delay tactics of avoiding to go to court, because most of the cost that he has to pay is in relationship to the arms deal applications, where every single time the process must come and then he's taking Billy Downer to court that he must not be around, etc., etc., and several issues. And then we also know that in regard to Nkandla, he owed EFF 1.3 million, he owed VBS about 7 million rands. Now, can we say now it has come home to roost that President Zuma will have to avoid just been taking people to court instead of coming up and then trying to avoid going to court and come claim that he is not corrupt. But he doesn't give the court a chance for him to prove whether he's correct or not, whether the evidence that the state say it has against him is a concrete information or not. And are we going to see him now deciding to stop making unnecessary appeals, of which the opponents are feeling are unnecessary appeal, instead go to court and then make sure that he answer for what he is seemingly being accused against. And then also, as it stands, the NPA has made the application to say these non-stop applications by President Zuma are on avoiding to go to court. Now the court must have to stop it and then he must face the trial. And then as it stands, allegedly on the 4th or the 5th of December, we are going to see a trial where Jacob Zuma's trial date must be set to say when do they start for his trial on the arms deal process. And we also saw now Teni Ngeni being set as the second deputy president of MKP. Good people, I have said it, and I've said it when Jacob Zuma was found to say he will not be able to go and represent the party in parliament. Good people, the party members and followers wants to hear the voice of the leader. Like now at ad hoc committee, the party members wants to hear their leader, so that they can say, our leader said, our leader do this. They want to brag. They want to talk about their leader day in, day out. That's why the same leader must be the one that they see on the street to say, yeah, we vote him because of this person. But when that person, they don't hear him day in, day out, he speaks after several weeks, they don't have anything to talk about their leader. And except to say about President Zuma, it's a chess master, is that, but they cannot give something on the table in regard to that. And then we also saw again to say, does MKP have POA, program of action, in the ward, in the vote, in the VD, in the region? Because over a period of 3 months, a political party must submit what we call program of action, whereby the party must be saying, in our area we'll be celebrating Women's Day, will be having these activities. Like in the Milnerton school incident, the members of the party must not just make a political statement like ANC used to do when they are unaliving in the in the farms. You must be active. You must go there, support the people. When is the Milner Till Schools incident? We want to see our political party people being there physically to support the people. And then he said, you see, there are my people. I see the regalia of my people, not just a political statement. And then it will be difficult when a political party doesn't have structures. In South Africa, the political parties that are known to have structures is African National Congress. That's why it's doing so well in the by-elections, and EFF. Those are the two political parties that we know they have structures. When you talk, you must be able to say, go to such and such a street, you will find our member there who is accountable and a direct leader. He's not just put or appointed or volunteered. You must hold him accountable that day in, day out, he will be there to work for the party. Are we going to see Tony Ngeni making sure that there's activities, servicing of party members, not just talking and then saying we are supposed to have 2/3 majority? What are you doing for people now? What are you doing for the children that lost their people in July 2021 that are orphans now? Is there justice on the Phoenix massacre because it happens in behalf of President Zuma? Are they there as MKP to help to see the people are going to court, etc.? Are they there to support the people that are going to court, attending court cases for being involved into the July 2021 incident? Are they helping the children that in Nongoma, in Newcastle, that could not get the money of the TRC, Truth and Reconciliation Commission, when President Zuma has rewarded Eugene Dukok with 200,000 once off money, 40,000 rand monthly payment, and a house? What about those orphans that they lost their breadwinners through the Askaris, etc.? Is MKP doing that? And also, lastly, there's a trend that I don't understand. MKP all the time in their news conference, they will be limiting the questions that must be asked. Fikile Mbalula and Julius Malema, they answer all the questions that were there. And it was one straight, simple question. Does MK Labor Desk representing MK Party? Because we are here that MK Labor Desk, it's a separate entity. By the way, MKP regalia, and they say they are recruiting membership for MKP. Does the MK political party take overall responsibility on the activity of MK Labor Desk? You cannot just be here nor there. We must get a position, but are we sure that in future they're going to come up and take us into confidence and answer those questions that they did not answer now? So please remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and press the notification button. Thank you.